I'm gonna make in Minecraft a shooter and classic clans. Okay, what's up with the lava bucket? Have to get lava right here. 1, 2, let me see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after that, I'm just gonna put this thing in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks high. After that, I'm gonna make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 blocks high. For this one, make it that. Okay. That's kind of good. Okay. After that, I need to put the thing right here in the middle and put one right here. And after that, I need to close this up. I can. Yeah, I can. And after that, I'm gonna place these things in. Need to put a lot of them though. I'm just gonna take a long time. Okay. See, that's not it. Okay. That should be it. I need to put this one up here. And get the splash potion 1 time and watch the squid is gonna dominate it. I'm gonna make a whole army of squids and they can dominate it or something. Look how much right there. Wow, that's a lot. Jeez. Okay. Like a whole army. Okay, bye guys. See you in my next video. Bye.